Hey English learner, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson, we will learn the correct usage of to and then. We use to after words that shows rank, relationship, position, order, attitude, or behavior towards someone, direction of movement, and direction of speech. Direction of movement shows the movement or flow towards a point or a place. Direction of speech refers to the direction in which words are addressed to a person. Let's understand then. We use then after comparative adjective. And when we compare two things, and this comparison is based on age, physical measurement, degree, or intensity. So let's do this exercise, guys. The first one is he is senior blank to me. The keyword in this sentence is senior and it shows rank or position. And also remember the trick here, words like senior, junior, superior, prior takes preposition to. So here we use to. She is younger blank her brother. Here the keyword in this sentence is younger. Comparison of age. We are comparing two people. So we use here then. One trick is here also. Also remember words like older, taller, shorter. Whenever you see these words, use then. Next, this road leads blank the airport. Here, leads is the keyword and it shows direction or destination or movement. So we use here to. Jerry is taller blank John. Here taller is the comparison, so we use here then. She is equal blank her sister in intelligence. Here the keyword in this sentence is equal and it shows status or level. Such words always takes to. Subscribe for more.